Hey, Jacob here from ABC Window Supply. Today we're taking a look at a new descender we're carrying from Skylotec called the Sirius. So, let's dive in. And before we get started, it's important to note this video is not a substitute for proper training. As always, check the manufacturer's instructions for the latest information. Information in this video is accurate as of date of filming. Now the Sirius descender is a self-braking descender. That means while I'm operating it, while I'm pulling the handle, if I let go, it'll come to a stop. A unique feature of the Sirius is this button on the side. So I can't pull the handle to operate it unless I push this button in first. And then if I let go, it goes back into that locked position, preventing you from accidentally engaging the handle when you don't intend to. Now the Sirius descender is also anti-panic. That means that while it's in use, if I pull on the handle too hard, it'll come to a stop. I can reset by pulling the handle back up above the anti-panic position and returning to normal operation. Now to load and unload the Sirius descender, we're going to use this button in the middle. Like most self-braking descenders, we can leave the carabiner on the device, so we don't have to remove it from our harness or from the carabiner to switch back and forth. So we'll press the button in, and the front plate will slide to the side, and then it threads out of the cam, like so. Now a cool feature about self-braking descenders, like the Sirius, is that I can pull on the tail end of the rope to go up the rope for short ascents. And then I'm ready to instantly switch back to descending. Now the Sirius descender is meant to be used with 11mm to 12.5mm Kern mantle rope. That includes 7/16 inch and some 1/2 inch rope. If you're using 1/2 inch rope, just double check the diameter to make sure it's compatible with this device. That was a little bit about the Sirius descender from Skylotec, one of the newest descenders that we're carrying. For more information or to purchase, check out our website. And as always, thanks for watching.